In today's how-to, we're going to cover task analytics, a better way to visualize the response from your travelers from your tasks. We're going to start from our Jordan for the Adventurous demo account and take a look at the t-shirt size task. Clicking on the responses, we can see the people who have responded are 7, and we can send them a message to thank them for completing their task on time. Then we can click to see those who have not responded. There are 8 of them, and we can select them and send them a message asking them to be sure to complete their task so that we can order them the right size t-shirt. The t-shirt example covers the custom option type task, but there are many types, and we will also show you how it looks for the passport task, since each type of task looks a little bit different. So we click into responses for our passport task, and we see that we've had 5 responses, 2 from the United States, 2 from Australia, and 1 from Scotland. We can also see the number of documents uploaded was 5, and that everyone has responded. We can scroll to see the details below. This task also requires planner review, which is covered in another video. If you have any questions or want to talk to our sales team, be sure to request a demo at youlivetotravel.com.